If you've ever tried to download a file from Google Drive and seen the message "Download quota exceeded," don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to fix it. This is one of the most common Google Drive issues, especially when you're trying to download a shared file link that has been viewed or downloaded too many times. The good news is that there are a few simple workarounds you can try right now to get the file onto your device. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this one. First, it's important to understand what this error actually means. Download quota exceeded usually happens with shared files, not files that you uploaded yourself. That means the file owner or a large number of viewers may have caused the download limit to be reached for that specific day. So instead of trying the same download button over and over, you need to use a smarter method. The most reliable fix is to make a copy of the file. Start by opening the shared Google Drive link in your browser. Once the file opens, look for the Add Shortcut to Drive option. If you can see it, click it and add the file shortcut to your Drive account. After that, go to your My Drive folder. You should now be able to find the shortcut or copied file there. Right-click the file, and if Google Drive allows it, choose Make a Copy. Once the copy is created, open the copied version. From there, click Download. And this time, Google Drive should let you save it normally, because you're downloading your own copy rather than the original shared file. If you do not see the Add Shortcut option, there is another method you can try. Click the three dots menu on the file and select Open in New Window. Opening the file in a new window can sometimes expose more options, including the ability to make a copy. After that, try the copy process again, and then download the copied file. This workaround often solves the issue when the regular download button is blocked by the quota limit. If that still does not work, try switching to another Google account. Sometimes the download quota is tied to the account's activity, so logging in with a different account can give you access to the file. If you still can't get it after that, the simplest option may be to wait 24 hours. In many cases, the quota resets automatically after a day, and then the file becomes downloadable again. Now, there's one very important limitation you need to know. If the owner of the file has disabled copying or downloading, then none of these methods will work because the restrictions are built into the file settings. And that is especially common with large or very popular shared files that many people are trying to access at the same time. So to quickly recap, if you see download quota exceeded in Google Drive, first try adding the file as a shortcut. Then make a copy and download the copied version. If that doesn't work, open the file in a new window, try another Google account, or wait for the quota to reset after 24 hours. This method saves time and is usually the easiest way to get around the error without needing complicated tools. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.